Oh no! No! You alright? Did they shoot you? Keep going!
Keep going!
Keep going!
Like I said earlier. What's in that? It's like.
I just want to go home and I want to get fucked. What?
I don't care.
You alright?
No.
You got shot in the lip.
I got shot in the face multiple times.
You okay?
I was the first one on the line.
You alright?
I sat down, got shot in the face.
Are you bleeding?
Put my hand up, got shot in the face. Tried to reach for my dead rat, got shot in the face. Tried to move out of the way, got shot in the face.
You want a hug?
No.
Want a kiss on the lips?
There ain't no mountain high enough. Anyone? Said there ain't no mountain high enough. Ain't no valley low. Ain't no river wide enough. Baby. Woo. Sing river.
Work! No! You're coming. Oh, I am so sorry, man.
Hey, you two want to go on a magical adventure? Alright, let's go drink some drugs.
Bang, bang. Mike! I switched teams. They were getting their asses handed to them.
You switched teams?
Yeah. It's alright.
Come on, Mike. Come on, Mike.
Thanks. Oh, there's a lot more than just that.
Can I get through, do you think?
I think so, if you can get to the side of the Cadillac.
Nah, I ripped my pants. Fuck me.
So where are we going?
Yeah.
So yeah, like are we going on a road trip? Like we going to Mexico? What's up? Mexico? Mexico's fun. Can't drink the water, you'll get the shits. But anyway, all right, I'm gonna go shoot some people. I'll be right back.
Jay, that's a valiant effort.
Thank you.
He's on the right tree. Jay, I'll get it, Mike. I saw it.
Let me have some.
I spit on you Americans. And your shitty mag releases.
Are we moving?
Jay, I wouldn't do that.
Are we moving?
Are those real cups?
Yeah.
Oh man, no! Who just got shot in the face? Jay, you killed him.
Go, 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 go. Go, Justin, go.
I'm tired now. I'm tired though.
GMR on 3.
Battle ready uniform.
Oh, somebody's got a 2 or 3.
This is going up on YouTube. I'd just like to point out that Mike Riley is Jewish, but we still love him.
Shalom Shabbat.